9. Ahaya Akoma 87.9 FM. Or share live on Osekrum TV, on Multi TV, and of course in your house on Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. My uncle na yene Dr. Amakye Boateng, political scientist and lecturer. Our crime commercial upon yenya some better appreciation of happenings around the country. Abanikaze mamema akwa bamra Akoma FM. Bibi abokodia.
Enya dum Yesu dum bibi aboko.
Tanyame ase. Edi nkoma ache kakra. Jiri se o monitor de ekoso Ghana.
Akoma FM.
Efibi. You say
inyamre nhwe. Estate as a call from the minority. Then you have the MPP members of parliament. First time in the history of the republic. Omo minister for Riata must go. Then the censure motion. Politically, is it good for the country and as a democracy in the area of now?
I mean, no, I say, Mincha, what you for now? Kabia Mamuno. Adibakupa, a woman, and
Akoma FM.
And Amanyo Kuso, etiquette of my ma. Eyi ọmọ free bedi obi awo titu ọmọ ni dia ọmọ de besom ọman no na ọman no atimi akọnani eno di no sa ansiseye ekoso emra no family koya yisu no obi adwuma oye na ban mu ensumbo emfata ansiseye efan wo ho se yemano ekotena afi. If you say your favorite inter Paris, Obi also not them Pierre Ginahoma, Nipa Betre, what you are. Omina so betting your son, or mine was a Aquanianoso. Obi a owning Jason cooked in painting or no quan a betting as son or mine Pierre Niasibet. Ghana has been here. Can you forget yet? Obi a no quan a winning day. I walk the Casamoa, even MPP move. No kwan bit na bibia no fasa anya no nti samre se ba se ye to aba na ana ye tietie Ghana fo
Akoma FM
obi amfa na dwimra o wa kan ofori atayi aya dia omuso somo man no ba bi o wa na jiri se ni ba do no abeka se ye ma ni na chen na be ma be ye bi o ma ye ni na obi a bo utrisi I was a chinchina won't a bassa pet. It's my can say. Sabia Musa Daniel bit so no Ghana 9 Usua and won't mean sorry or sorry I didn't. So I only put but and you know, Kabamika be a mamma no or my ma and num a canadian so civil society.
Akoma FM.
I will a brain myself at your fear. Among your MPP, Omo Emranti, Begirani Mabawa, Begina, Botin, say, they do common of fear no man tea. And he says, yes, no dear, the Giris and the Consuano. So the Bissan Sia, Ebiaka near Mabba Jinson. I was a baby says, now I'm not of Pia or money behind and Kraki say, you can afford your money. One or mine or three or mine.
Akoma FM.
And she say, and I'm more true. It's just say, anybody three or mine. Papa, or you my own, but be a baby. Yes, you and so me. Cotton fear, a man of Bush Yakonia, and what Naswa. Eti Kaman Kabia Mamu and or my ma is simuti.
Say my democracy and a year queer. Timemuni, me mammy, or not tit and tramaketa, Uguso, Tonyama board and then the old as a slow foreign economy political play. But the ordinary, how is it good or bad for the political atmosphere? For Timemu Fan here and Omanya Dadia Fulu and to Omboaze. Well, let's allow the system to go on. And we are near Manswako Jinsemu.
But you also can be.
The number person maybe say in this the approaching one more chain was through the ordinary Ghanaian saying na situating one say we a so ban for so the amame into main chain as the intimian control that are issue of civil revolts ne sa na many na ebetimi escalate amanakwe. How do we control the emotions of the ordinary Ghanaian in times like this?
You say Saha be a wushi in someone a woman have been say. O my ba no crane say I hope say Cassia Abbey. I do how Cassia Baba Tunusuno. Ono dear Tunamin Chain Kosu Abami. A hand papa. Hano papa
Akoma FM.
Rabi Eben Babia Meti. Nyema oton. Eduru mebi a o se wakokro makoto nyema na ba no so ton wo mantemu bi. Obebo na ni ate no. Na ya pem nyema no mu okrom ba bi okofa ano no. Onim na oton bo a odimfa so nyina aka ho no osan kokrom a entimin to ade kro no aso ba beton. Lisanti twama mentwene de eyo how but assembly
Akoma
enye
FM.
owura kan oforiata na oyo how na na dan kwakufu ado na eyo how
I see.
before no em na so jafo no kura do ma no tum se papa yi wa mana nkwa it came public. I said, I can't fear ye. On begin about in the crowd. Oh, sir, for so many travel, she said, I consider bay. I want to know a cool depending be far home, depending be far home, or my japa dear she. So we will be we imported near my free amount on about man who beton. That means she simply because I never back was in China. Ghana Statistical Service and pence more 1 more year efa inflation e koso so ade ba kwa 1 more dia to akwan mu say inflation no gina so no e ye kan oforiata asemi ade ba ko in 1 month no mo tie say a jumpo above 40% plus. Omo adiba ko
Akoma FM.
ema sa inflation no kosoro no awokoto ade na ochina obekona ne bo na peja kosoro no kan ofori atase bia eno tino asem no say aye ohaw because na dan kwa kufu ado e na ohwe Ghana fo nyina nim e na se chinchina papa no ntra ho sa e na akwa kodu eno tino emotions a ewo omamamu ana betimi a control fize nya bibia ye kasa cha ne keke ahokyere okom emra no ade achi ni ade asanyina no ahokyere nipa be pre ekom
Akoma FM.
information apie say my Ghana within a very short period this morning we were just talking about it nipa over 1 million Ghanaian males omunyuma afi omunza within a very short period of time. You are not sure I can want them. It is a concrete, and no baby I can be a grow. No, natural Nipaqua or man penny for now MPP for the moment or man, you know, 1 more year. They are insensitive to anybody's concern. They don't care.
Oh, is that the case?
That is the case. Otherwise, answer me. I try to maintain control. The MPP is in crisis. Omo abai ena a generate or how we ena omo emubi ehu enso silano omo pani omo yinu so ontobia.
So the president is insensitive.
He is insensitive.
Wow.
He doesn't care. In fact, we made a mistake putting someone like that into that office.
Hey.
On kwa hochire say bi muda. We don't empathize with anybody.
Ghana for made a mistake for electing Nana Dankwa.
It was a terrible mistake. It was a terrible mistake.
Akoma
For a
FM.
very simple reason that he cannot empathize with the suffering of the majority of Ghanaians. Or however, say Oyobia, na setremu wakwa hutremu da, and call him a maritime mothers, a friend, your fumu a com. A statement that it's only mothers who make that statement. When their children are hungry, it is only mothers who feel it. They know, they feel it themselves. Another cannot feel it. He has not become associated with any such thing before. He can. Also, I'm emphasizing mothers. But there are men who play the role of mothers for their children. They are men.
But
then
the president Nano is all about address or mine. Or catch he cares, but scan impeded in Tienya the day.
There will be a friend talking and doing. They are two different things. Talking is not doing. So far in another government, there has been a lot of talk, very little doing. Very little.
FM.
And nothing now, and she say any policies. Or the go Akoma policies, you know, and the say policies ni na ya kama papa. But they were all talk. Very little doing. And characterizing another's leadership. And one or that's a team. And no pet now only talk. We need action. And action is to replace the finance minister in the short period. The replacement will affect the market positively, definitely. It will affect the market.
FM.
It will affect the value of the Ghanaian city because markets react to such political actions. Besides that, confidence, the market players, and also be play out in a way be ama nipa bi ho ahare wo mo kakra nipa bi ho ahare wo mo kakra. There's an interesting thing playing out, although me tie and she say no a ma se be fie di agu akwan mu a eni wo mo
Akoma FM.
Tom kuma no and the sponsor aye no
Yeah.
and am on pese Omo enam so na yin papa yi ensi enchen. The majority spoke of conflict of interest in the case of the finance minister. The majority, they captured it as one of the reasons that one also say Uncle Fiano. The minority spoke of the conflict of interest, but interestingly, committee in this, you see the position of the majority representatives now more technicalities.
Yes.
Technicalities.
But sir, legally, the issue of conflict of interest, the Constitution only mandates SHRAD as the only constitutional body obey me a delete conflict of interest. This
what one of us dealing with conflict of interest as anything.
Using
ekua obetimi aka amayaja tumi se bibi we gina homa conflict of interest ana obviously not. Obviously not. In Ghana constitution amasraji say ono no obetimi adi sa adwuma no.
Yeah.
But akati volume number 4 bebre so betimi ahwe ehu no maka. So obi amamo a onam so Duma Otima Uko or Ghana no. That be that. The two are different. When you want to go make a case and then use it to further take further actions against an individual in Ghana, fine. Here's what is our constitution also. But then analyzing someone's actions and inactions in the interest of the state.
FM.
What I say, only per chrono.
Akoma FM.
You don't need to come from the start. Hello.
So as we speak, from where you sit, would you say the technical aspect of sad discussion I also at the committee, am I the best out of the Ghana for Renana?
Well, at the end of the day, MWA MPP as a party, MWA MPP members of parliament in 2024. Adebakwa Omuru FP, the looming next elections.
Akoma FM.
Omukuso say Omama Nukono. Omoda Amanukono Suan Kasadi. Where the interest of the party lies. It is the party that really thinks of Ghanaians and so should be allowed to be in government going forward. Whether they know it or not, Sajuma will almost so Eyaka. So Omokanina Omayu Omoka do Omokanina Maka Chefaka here. Brofo Momtumika. Omantimi Tikabe base and another bank.
Akoma FM.
Ekwaji Bosian di ba oman mu obantimi anhwe so amfa anjuma amfa nso no oman no ye ka me bi say dia brofo kasa sa kan re fabiane ensitu so eto aba igidi say ifri sa me ekọ no aha akrachi fo wo oman mu a oman no ho hia wo mo nyina nsori na Omunfo
can we Ghana for the one IGD said, and then another Danko Akufo said, yeah, now elsewhere administration, your Christian Council, your war all the civil societies, occupy Ghana, almost sorry, no more bomber, I'm a trisu, but it appears things are terrible than what we used to see. But do one Jaikasa? Why?
Women are interested actors, simple and straight. Politics is driven by interest. Women are interested. People don't know interested actors.
I see.
Simple and straight. Civil society organization. Family, why you come piano? Or you come forever. We are civil society organization. Who interest the state. You interest. We interest in the political community. And you can be as MBC for money more. As what me sorry. Actually, don't you minimum think of more random say although I'm individual, I place myself in the context of civil society. Although I'm individual, I place myself in the context of civil society. And that's why I see what I see from time to time.
Akoma FM.
Now, a confounding public dream. The Kaiser President Mahama Mreso, Kachi NDC, Kumasi Abuja Jamfi, in him school or a friend is a political prostitute. About will ever swear. They can't assemble say a far by no. About will throw away bar. They can't assemble say far, Now, because of him school or Untimi and share my meeting no and fan to baby as I say auto. Na President Mahama and no about so. And same be a me, no many you who na me di pika. Any day no.
Yeah.
As someone no canon. In fact,
Akoma FM.
Now do I share me box so the mommy a chief executive position.
Okay.
You say me meet you me a chief executive. Because to no one year and someone ever no ibino.
I see. Are you surprised? Say, Ebidum say where there be nana de danko akofo ado what we call the goodwill. Ghana for goodwill emano. You omo adu shemu onu se be yenti. Omo gu so hwe no.
I don't think so. Minya nhwehwe mu bi we the survey na here. That goodwill na wo kan.
Okay.
Akoma FM.
Mi gidi say the sound so kan say legitimacy. Said if you say obetimi adijuma ase se wuti no digidi se sam be ekofom awrabi ade sama ko to social media waton safre owra kusibu afo se o mekasa se ono na again another 2 more man to Abama now don't go Kufado he good will be any ho man another Obakumashina Unihana
Nami wa hapa se bia si
obisa na ye
Akoma FM
na fidie na no otimu no imotoka no
Akoma
FM so na
FM
wo mu bie no open top no wan nyina ho onu ba ko na
Akoma FM
yes dodo na otibi bia Ozina who no do also no do. Na me ni ho na me wo campus.
Okay.
Na who say original host and so original who.
Abi wa Santa Makere we nyina ho wa amane nsa so kra. Nyina ho.
Central market pa na man di wo muntu ma se for man na so. We nyina open top. Amfani nsa him ayi mazefo.
Dabi sa fans ndi we ntimi anje.
Na good way na wo kan we. The same way they see here. Good way now, what can way?
Akoma FM.
Study BNY a bit you see, because
not for like I say, it can be a staged thing, like orchestrated by the NDC.
Sir, Okasa, Obewo, a challenge. Can see a pass over proof because and also me share video no. Because tell me who said. It was spontaneous. One, number you just say me who placard bi na.
Okay.
Number you just say nipa no be in a relatively organized fashion.
Okay.
Video no that's all.
I know na me yi se see. I tell for come with my on Facebook page. Thanks to Okoji Amai.
Ankura ni nam baby o mo ni nam. And a bi ahe da gina ehwe ka no. And a bi they are not bothered. Omo go so en nam ho. E kwa ho e ko baby a wo mo e ko bia. Placard, mahu placard ba ko pekra. Mahu nipa, oma bocho nku bebre ejina. Ohene me gina saadi so e de kase e spontaneous. Me gina saadi so de kase safo. Na wo mu nim klase papa no be ba be fa baby o be fa ye no ahead of time. No mu
Akoma FM.
Eno di so kase obi na bobo nipa no I said that don't go to now. Some HH mu ye. And the crown is emfa. But we back up and who we see. And what about such chairman sound to so born and also NDC for the coyer. Imagine how good will now work on anyhow. Or any good will be anyhow.
I see. Doctor, Mami Misa last week, Jao, you made a very, very instructive point. Say, Ghana have made a terrible mistake for voting another than Kwakoford. Will be a winner. And the first time, more than 1 million vote difference. Now this time around, when you more than 600,000 difference vote. I mean, it can never be a mistake. It
was a terrible mistake. It was a terrible mistake. But you see, Nejna, the kind of said, talking is not doing. And someone, you didn't come over your campus. The lecture about
Akoma FM.
Young fire, Libyan called Dr. Baumiaso.
I see.
Akoma FM.
Dr. Baumia. Oye kachi ni kase wo sikasemu oman sikasemu ena no kwani se pese mahama wo ho no so na ho kire wo ho pese mahama nyantutie ni nyina ne ko yi pese mahama what no to na do ho a pese mahama is a fighter of corruption pese mahama of fighting corruption ana Ghana for any anso and Dr. Baumia so and another so saying I'm not corrupt. I'll protect the public peace. In politics, we share leadership characters. Nipa bi omo fro omo demagogues. Omo ye nipa omo taking advantage of challenges in the system, present themselves as angels.
Wow.
To be voted for. But while in office, then you see the real self. They have different agenda. It gives an another fit characterization.
Wow. Nanado is a na now do your political demagogues.
Mijiri se ofite. Mijiri se nothing na me san so aka say. Ghana for Ghana for be playing so mo yemfu so mo to abama.
I see. So what is the alternative?
Voting him out in 2024
and vote and bring who in?
Of course, NDC. The last time President Mahama or best suggested what should be done in the current situation. Now you know Ghana Hana and some of the ego.
But when Abraham not tia kunyaswo, you the same challenges near Komu or the
He has gone through institutional learning. That is why he could now speak the way he speaks.
Akoma FM.
He has gone through institutional learning.
Akoma FM.
That is now he could speak the way he's speaking now. And to say, yeah, or do they go a crime? I'm not going to see him to come and to say, can I this one? I want to know in the short run, the day in the medium term, in the long run, Ghana will come out.
So you think our problem, our solution for Ghana and the NMCC should be NDC?
NDC is the most credible alternative as at now. Yes, going forward, I will say it will be GTA say NDC will deliver.
But Ghana Ford do not disagree with you because they messed up. They took us to doom so. They terrible things. And it's a Ghana you was. That's your alternative NDC. Then obviously because we don't have a future.
We have a bright future. Because NDC in a deal called Doomsa unsa a misstatement. Doomsa by if it's over the years, government after government neglected the need to address the increasing demand for electricity. And then also the infrastructure I provide electricity. Governments after governments overlooked that. Fortunately or unfortunately, President Mahama inherited it. Yes, he inherited it. He tried his best. Now, what he delivered, even his critics, I can say, were mine. To the extent that it be a that is what people are saying now. And that is very interesting. When it is possible to sell to other countries nearby. Yes, he took up the challenge and eventually helped help Ghanaians to come out of it. Adebakoye very significant here. Emra Ura Boachi Ejakun can say a married Dino or Saya Kofifim. Say na yakwanya ono so ba bepe musikadi. Nti uko kan dum so asemu a, no aka nsem be akofa nsem bebre aba. Sa asemi kofa na nado office, the personal secretary, enso din sa hye se krata no ye. Na dan kwa kufa.
Akoma FM.
Interestingly, Papa no da so ye adwuma, the personal secretary no. I always say that na nye Owura Boachi Akuna Sesenka Oyino na ye ni personal secretary no. I always make this case. One to me, ansacking the personal secretary no, to me say or support him officers. Say if nipa bi a hoba dia. Interestingly, send nipa ni nyina ya wamabushafo or the bigger achimebu akwafe. Interestingly, at least we have two people, so we can make this case.
Okay.
Akoma FM.
Somebody okay, and then the personal secretary. No. In the first place, I didn't see the need for a personal secretary when the chief of staff is there. Anyway. I didn't see the need for a personal secretary when the chief of staff is there.
I see.
But somehow they appoint the chief of staff and then they go ahead to get in place a personal secretary who definitely who do everything that you expect the chief of staff to do. And then this is what is happening.
Doctor,
I see a plot to be a plot.
Doctor, Anope Mayena Wase. It's been a
Thank
very
you.
wonderful discussion.
Akoma FM.
Thank you.
I'm grateful. Dr. Amakye Boateng, very explosive, very debatable discussion. It is a lot of reservation on Nkomo. Hi, Akoma.